Alright guys, so in this video, I'll show you how to install and use skills in Claude Code step by step. Skills allow you to extend Claude Code with reusable instructions, workflows, and specialized capabilities, helping you code faster and automate repetitive tasks. So first up, what are Claude Code skills? So before you start installing anything, let's understand what the skills are. Basically, Claude Code skills are reusable prompts, workflows, and instructions that Claude Code can use when performing specific tasks. Just think of them as custom tools that teach Claude how to handle certain types of requests. They could either be code review skills, debugging skills, documentation skills, React development skills, API development skills. So instead of repeating instructions every single time you want to code or make adjustments, skills let you package those instructions into reusable modules. All right, guys. So the next step we're going to be taking is locating the skills directory. But first things first, you do have to install Claude Code. But to install Claude Code, you need to have subscribed for Claude. You need to be on the Pro option or on the Max. Or if you're part of a team, you can go for the team option or the enterprise. The prices are listed as follows and everything you're getting. So you're getting everything in the free option, which is chatting on the web, generating code and visualizing data, connecting Slack and Google Workspace, extending thinking for complex work, and a built-in web search. Now, the Pro option offers you Claude Code directly into your code base, so meaning you necessarily don't need to install anything, you can do everything online. But in order to get Claude Code, you need to pay for the Pro option. And you're also getting the option to power through tasks with co-work, higher usage limits, and access to more Claude modules, as well as memory that carries across conversations. All right, so with that out of the way, in order to find where your Claude Code skills would be saved, Claude Code is saved in the customize option. So when you click on customize and head into create new skills, you can find your list of skills here. This is where you find your Claude Code skills. Alright guys, so once you're here, you can see that this is where your skills are actually organized and managed. This is the skill menu. You have your personal skills. Alright guys, so the next step we're going to be taking is downloading or creating your skill. So there are generally two ways of adding a skill. You could either download an existing skill. So let's say you own a separate account. All you need to do is just come over here and where we have the plus, go ahead and click on this. And where we have create skill or browse skills, you could just simply add your external skill from here. But if you're looking to create your own skill, just click on the create skill and you can create with Claude, write a skill instruction or upload a skill. So this is where you can basically upload the skills you have on your computer onto Claude and use them from here. But we're going to be going with the write skill instruction. So go ahead and click on this option. Once you have done this, you're meant to name your skill, add a description and an instruction. All right. So the name for the skill we're going to be giving it is basically, let's just call it coding. So as stated earlier, a skill would usually contain instructions that describe to Claude how it should perform specific tasks. So when you're giving your descriptions, you have to describe it in depthly and your instructions should be precise. So how does that look? For the description, all you need to do is just go ahead and enter. All right, so for the descriptions, I went with review code for bugs, explain problems clearly, suggest improvements, and provide optimized solutions. This is a good description. Then your instructions should be precise and straight to the point. So I said, start by reviewing the code for bugs, explain problems clearly, then suggest improvements and provide solutions. Now, my trigger for this skill to activate is only when I use the line fix. And you can also take it a step further by saying inside of my code. That way, this instruction is followed to the T whenever you use fix inside of the code or prompts. And then add a full stop and then go ahead and click on create. So just make sure to save the skill in the appropriate skill folders and give it a descriptive name like I did here. Now the next step would be to simply load that skill into Claude Code. But to load it into Claude Code, you need a Claude Code subscription, which costs about $17 a month. Uh, how it works is after installing the skill, Cloud Code would need to recognize it. So depending on the version you're using, the Cloud Code skill may still load automatically or require a refresh for your new skills to showcase in the Cloud Code section. Alright guys, so you can also test your skill. To do this, just select the skill you want to test, click on the three dots here, And where we have try in chat, go ahead and click on this option. So we just have the forward slash and then the coding version here. This is how it activates. You need a forward slash and then the code version, and then your line of code would be entered into this space here. And then all you need to do is just go ahead and click on send, and it will begin doing its work. Just simply tell it to either review your JavaScript functions and identify any performance issues, as Claude Code would then apply the instructions that were defined in your skill automatically. You can also alternatively install multiple skills. To do this, head back to the skill menu on Claude, click on the plus here, click on create skill, and you can upload, like I said earlier, your already saved codes that are on your computer, and you can also write your skill instructions, or you can create the codes, that's the code skills with Claude. You can use these options. So you aren't limited to a single skill, so you could create skills for your React, you can create skills for Node, you can create skills for Python, testing, and documentation. Many developers organize skills based on the technologies they use the most frequently. And then after that, you can easily build a development workflow, as one of the biggest advantages of skills is workflow automation. So your workflow should look something like this. You generate your code, you review your code, you create tests, and you generate documentation. By combining multiple skills, you can create a streamlined development process. All right, guys, those are the skills, and that's how you can actually go about it. That's how you can install and use it. So leave a like and subscribe if you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.